Hello and thank you so much for tuning in. I'm your host Janelle Hair Collection. Today we are going to learn how to make a locks extension at home, and I use this type of pin crochet. This is number 5, and it's not a must to use this particular one. As long as your pin crochet has a small hook, you're good to go. It will just give you the same results. And then I use a fluffy Kinky to achieve this type of locks extension, and this is synthetic, but if you can't find this particular one, you can use Mali braid. It will just give you the same results. So for now, I'm just trying to unravel the hair until it is soft like our natural hair. This hair is flexible the way you're seeing. Okay, so I'm just going to unravel the hair, and then one strand of fluffy Kinky, it's giving me 4 strands of a locks extension, so don't forget about that. And it all depends with the size that you want to achieve. So in this case, one strand of fluffy Kinky is giving me 4 pieces of locks extension, so put that in mind. And then for now, I'm just trying to separate the hair and unravel. I don't know, whichever way, as long as you get what I'm trying to share with you all today. And then I'm going to use I'll take a small section of braid the way you're seeing. I'll divide it into 2. This is not a must, it's optional. And then I'm going to fold it so that I'll achieve the size that I want to get. So there we go. And then I'll have to fold it again to make it shorter. There we go. And then for now, I'll have to take my pin crochet and I'll start my tacking. So it's as simple as that. So I'll just take my pin crochet and then I'll go in, out, in, out, in, out. That is the thing. That's it. And you have your locks extension made at home. So one thing about this, I'll promise you, the first time that you're going to try to make this type of locks extension, it won't be easy. You will keep on sticking yourself because your hands are not used to it. But the more you will do it, the more you will keep on doing it over and over, you get used to it. So it gets better with time. So you can see now my tail has formed. So I'm going to tack it again to make it more neat. And then the good thing about using braids, you can achieve as many colors as you want. You can decide to mix different types of colors to achieve whichever a color that you want to achieve. So that is one thing about using braids. So in this case, I decided just to use green. Okay, so I'm going to continue with my tacking, and then for now I'll have to thank you all for the love and support that you guys are showing me. It really motivates me, and at the same time it keeps me motivated. The thumbs up that you guys normally give my video, sharing my videos, and leaving a comment below in the comment section below my videos. It really motivates me. So if you're coming across my channel for the first time and you'd love to learn more about this, you can go ahead and subscribe onto the channel. And if you want to learn again more and higher, you can go ahead and join my YouTube membership. That is the 3rd level, Artificial Locks Academy. That is where I'll be posting more of these. Okay, so again, for now, I'm going just to cut that extra piece of braid, and then like I said, one strand of fluffy kinky. It's giving me 4 pieces of locks extension. So there we go. I have my first section, so I'm going to fold it like that, and then I'm going to join it with the braiding part that I've locked to form the locks extension. So there we go, and then I'll just take my pin crochet and just do the same thing, but remember, where the two are meeting, you have to tighten so that it will stay intact, it won't separate. So put that in mind. Okay, so but nothing has changed. I'm just doing the same thing, tucking in and out, in and out. So I hope you're going to try and make yours at home, and then come back here and let us know, how did you experience, how was it? Let us know in the comment section below the video, and I'll do appreciate. So for now, I'm just doing the same thing. And again, remember, when you're doing this type of locks extension, it shouldn't be too stiff, it should be flexible, okay, so that it will be more of natural. So I'm just doing the same thing, tucking in, out, and 70 to 100 pieces is enough for a full head, depending with the size, whichever size that you want to achieve. You can make this thicker, and at the same time you can make it small, and also you can achieve a medium size. So I'm almost done with this. I'll do a second one. If you're not getting it right, I'll do a second one. Look at that, this is so beautiful. I love what I'm trying to let you guys learn with me today. It's coming out nice. So I'm just trying to tuck in the excess here to make it more neat, and just the same thing that I'm doing, in and out, and then I'll have to use moisturizer to protect my palm, because this is not human hair, it's synthetic. So I'm going to use a little bit of moisturizer, and it's optional. You can just use any of your choice. So that is what I'm going to do as my last step when I do this type of locks extension. And then I'll have to thank you for your time. Thank you for not skipping anything, so that you get everything right. Okay, thank you so much for your attention. I hope I'm not too fast. I hope you can understand this better. So I'm going to repeat this if you're not getting it right, and then towards the end of this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and at the same time share this with a friend. So that they will get to know how easy it is to achieve this type of locks extension, that you can make it at home at your free time. So I'm almost done. I'm going to grab my moisturizer. Like I said, I'll grab my moisturizer, and I'm just using a little bit, not too much, just to protect your palm. So there we go. So I'll palm roll the hair. So palm rolling again is a must, because it hides all your tucking, and at the same time it makes your locks to be more natural. So I'm going to repeat the same thing. If you didn't get it right, please again don't skip anything, so that you'll have to get what I'm trying to let you guys learn with me today.
The Kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby tell me who's that? Look back, baby make you look back. I move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me, pour me out. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pour me out, see me pour me out. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me y'all. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only